This is a typical example of what a marketing cloud platform would look like. We happen to represent Netco exclusively in Africa, and they're one of the better marketing cloud platforms. But generally, you can converse with customers across omni-channel, be it email, browser push notification, website messaging, custom audience targeting. You might want to use app push notification if you have an app, or in-app messages. SMS is still very popular in Africa. Voice, generally for complex inquiries or sales type interactions. We like voice, as well as WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a very, very popular channel. And with WhatsApp for Business now, you can do quite a few exciting things with customers on their preferred channel. If you look at the phone, the most used app generally on the phone is WhatsApp. And therefore, it's a very important channel, literally going to where the customer's at and communicating with them on a one-to-one basis. From an analytics perspective, you also want to be able to get the single view of the customer across what they're doing across your website, the app, any other channel trend, and any attribution analytics that you may be able to enhance your data and enrich your data about the customer and understand them better. So therefore, you can personalize the behavior better for them on an ongoing basis.